Lena, look at all those. Why did you pass up all those 800?
Jonah, there's one here in this chair, too.
Did you see that?
Well, he's coming over here to No Competition Land.
Oh, is there some over here?
Oh, my goodness. He's cleaning up that sandbox.
Hey, buddy, you missed one over here. There's a whole bunch over here. What's his name, Jonah? Or Lane. Look, there's a whole bunch. Uh-oh, Lane, we need to overflow.
We gave it away.
Let's get a plastic bag. Jonah?
Wow, that was buried under there pretty well, wasn't it? Where did the peanut end up?
There you go. It's okay to go out. Yeah, there's a little bit more.
So that's enough. You got enough, buddy. Joe, that's enough. Joseph, you've got enough, buddy.
There you go. Put them in your basket. Smile. Look. Go.
I found some other ones.
It's so funny how you can find them just like, they just miss like hundreds of it. I'm Karen, by the way. I don't think we met her. I'm Candace. Hi, Candace. Nice to meet you.
No what? Get in the bag?
Oh my God, literally.
I've tried to get everybody in action, and then we'll clump people up, and I'll take.
You see any more anywhere, Peanut?
Oh, you're doing good, Violet.
Look around. I bet there's some more. Miss Kara said there are 300 eggs to find. As fast as a rotten ninja. Did you find another one? You sure did. Yes.
I got one down.
You got one down. You see any more?
No.
I see one right here. See look right in there? Right in that middle bush? Right in the middle.
Yeah. Well, let's, yeah,
I
I'll
think we're
follow.
going to clean
Let's
them
go.
out. Let's go see.
Let's keep looking. Walk over here by these plants over here. I bet there's some that are like almost green or something that are just blending in.
Ooh, I see one. Now look, it's camouflaged.
Can you get it?
Well, I'm not supposed to hunt eggs. I'm a grown-up. Right there.
It's a yellow one.
I helped you. I guided you. Can we clean out all the ones over here by the trees?
Dad, can you help me?
I am. I'm helping you look. I'm keeping my eyes peeled.
I think that's the last of them. Maybe Tilly. Maybe go give Tilly a hug.
Do you want to eat it?
There you go. I would eat that later.
Oh wait, now I lost Lee.
Hey guys, look at your mama.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
We'll find it. So, we got another nerd? Is that what you said? I think that might be our only one, baby.